Canva AI tutorial, 5 new features for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, if you're looking to create stunning graphics, social media posts, or presentations without spending hours in complicated design software, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you 5 game-changing features in Canva that are going to transform the way you design. And honestly, they're so easy that even a beginner can master them in minutes. So let's jump in. Now, feature number 1 is Canva AI's image generator. This is honestly a game changer. Gone are the days of searching for the perfect stock photos or paying for images. Now you can describe what you want and Canva's AI will create it for you. Let me show you how simple this is. So once you have opened up Canva AI, you are going to proceed with image and you're just going to describe your image and it's going to bring it to life. Now, if you are working in a project, let's say you are trying to generate an image within a project, simply I'm just going to open up a brand new project. Let's say this is going to be a presentation. Once I have this opened up, all I need to do is click on apps on the left. And once I do that, I'm just going to click on AI generation and then I can search for AI images very simply, or even in the discover section, you're going to find more from Canva and then you can go into photos, and within photos you can proceed with creating and generating images. I'm gonna do AI images over here, and you can even see some third-party extensions that are available on Canva. So now all you need to do is type in your prompt. This can truly be anything. Let's say that I want to create a coffee shop on a rainy day with warm lighting. I'm just going to type in my prompt like so, and then you can click on the right side over here to change the settings. I want to go with images and I'm going to leave the style at none, and I want to create a landscape image. And now you guys can see my image is being generated. The best part is that you can be as specific or as vague as you want. If you want a retro style coffee cup, say it. If you want futuristic office setup, say it. I typically go through 2 or 3 rounds of prompts just to get exactly what I want, and it never takes more than a few minutes. So this is a really amazing way that you can create images and much more. So these are some of the images that it has created. 1, 2, then we have number 3, and then number 4. All 4 of these are pretty amazing. I prefer the first 3. This one is my least favorite, but they're all generally very nice. And just like that, just choose the image that you want and you can resize it, move it, layer it with other design elements. This feature alone saves me tons of time. Now, the second feature is Smart Design Suggestions. This is AI that actually understands good designs. So let's say you've added some images and text to your canvas, and I'm just going to open up my canvas here, go into elements, and I'm just going to scroll down, go into shapes, and we're going to be using this. Say we add this over here, then we're going to go back, go into shapes, then we add this over here. Say we add like square over here, like so. And once you've added a bunch of different things, you're not sure how it looks. You feel like something's off, but you're not really sure. That is where smart design comes in. So you're going to look for explore designs, or you can click on design and then you can click on generate design, or you can even describe your ideal design, go into layouts. And if you select all the elements together, you will see an appropriate layout that is going to balance these together. Now I'm going to go back into generate design and you're just going to describe what you want. So I want to create a scrapbook style design where there are very natural elements as if a person has journaled. And I'm just going to put in my prompt over here. And once I do that, it's going to create a design for me accordingly. So this is really amazing because you get a bunch of different options and it's like having a professional designer in your ear. So I can add my basic elements and everything can be created for me. And that is all I need to worry about. And just like so, I can wait for the style that has been generated. Now, this is just another amazing feature that you can utilize with Canva. But what else does Canva have to offer that is truly unique? Well, magic writing and AI text generation. If you struggle with copywriting, like you have an idea but you can't find the words, this idea and this particular feature is going to change your life. Let's say you're creating a poster for a small business. I'm going to go into templates and I'm just going to search for poster here. Let's say we are designing poster for something over here. Let's say it is going to be like this, and we are not sure what to put in the text area. So all I need to do is, instead of staring at a blank text box, you can use Magic Write. Simply type a brief prompt or just even a few keywords, and the AI generates complete ready-to-use copy for you. So let's say I want to go into this box over here, and then I'm going to click on the Magic Write option, and then I'm going to proceed, and I'm just going to remove all the text, and then I'm going to add, rewrite, and then we're just going to first add our prompt because this is the prompt that I want to use. And then I want to rewrite just like so, but if I want to further edit, I can choose that as well. If I want, I can just click on transform text, and then I'm just going to enter my prompt, and then I'm going to click on replace, just for the future, style with a conscience. And here's the cool part, is that you can highlight your existing text, any of your existing text, and Magic Write can rewrite it for you. It can literally see the context within your design. And I've used this for Instagram captions, for email lines, for blog intros, and it works amazingly. Now for the next tool, that is background remover and replace. So this is something that used to be super expensive, but now it's built right into Canva. All you need to do is open an image, let's say whatever image it might be. I am going to go into photos over here, go into, let's say, this photo, and simply click on the photo and then click on BG remove. This automatically detects the forefront of the photo and removes the background to make it easy for you to snip any element. So just like so, I have removed the background from this photo. And this used to be so expensive to do and so difficult, but now it's simplified. Not only that, but this is also now upgraded with a different feature. So what you can do is that if you click on Add Canva, you can actually ask it to change the background to a colorful graffiti wall. And then I'm just going to prompt it over here, and you are going to wait a couple of seconds. You guys can see Canva is then going to think about it. And then first you can remove the background if you want, or if you want to, make this a bit more detailed, you can open up Canva separately like so. Go back into the dashboard, go into Canva AI, and then click on image, upload the removed background version, and then have the image generated. But you guys can see even in my project file, the image is being generated, it's being finalized, and within a couple of seconds, my image will be generated. And the last feature that we're going to be talking about today is AI brand voicing and consistent styling. So in your Canva account settings, you can create a brand kit. And this is our final product, so it's ready right now with a colorful graffiti wall. Now, moving back into our final feature for today, which is consistent styling. You can describe your brand's personality in your account settings. So if you go into your particular account and you go into your settings here, you guys can see you have AI personalization, which you can also do. And within that, we have our brand. So in our brand, we have brand kit, and you can add the basics of your brand kit. But not only do you have the ability to add your basics, you are also able to add what kind of basic feel your brand has. So if it's very vibrant, if it's bold, if it's a minimal brand, so you can just add all of that information in your brand info, and you're able to have a more tailored experience. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next.